Good afternoon, everybody. Wanted to remake this video actually because, I realized there was a buzzing noise in the background. So I wanted to remake this video here. And first, I'm going to turn off the hot water heater, which you can probably hear it right now. Let's mute this. All right, let's do that. There we go. That's better. All righty. Now we're back. Okay, guys. That's a lot better. All right. So this is with DLSS off, and frame generation is off as well. And what we're going to do is we're going to turn on our DLSS transformer and quality. All right. So, okay. Okay, let's take a look here. So we're getting about 118 frames, 118 frames per second, something like that. All right, let's take a look at our frame generation. We have frame generation off right now, but we are going to turn it on. All right, there goes our frame generation. And we're going to turn on the 4X. There we go. Frame generation is a savior. Absolute savior, guys. $360 frames right now with 1% lows and about 300. Nice. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching.